Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for sushi balls served with a stir fry. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now we're just going to place 300 grams of sushi rice in a bowl, add just enough water to cover. We're going to gently rub the rice a couple of times between our fingers, and we're going to drain it just until the water runs clear. Now we're going to place the rice into a saucepan, cover with 600 milliliters of water and a pinch of salt, bring it to the boil, pop the lid on, and then we're going to let it reduce the heat and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Now in a bowl we're going to add 145 grams of tuna. Just use the best quality tuna that you can. Then 1 grated shallot, 1 grated gherkin, 2 tablespoonfuls of mayonnaise, spoonful of rice wine vinegar, 1 teaspoonful of lime juice, 2 teaspoonfuls of sriracha, 2 cloves of crushed garlic, and we'll just give that a stir around and we'll set that to the side. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. It does help that I can make further videos for you. Now we're going to bring over our cooled rice. We're just going to divide it into 4. Take it up, pop it into your hands. If you wet your hands, it's much easier to shape the rice. Now we'll shape it into a burger shape, just flatten it down. And then we're going to add a tablespoonful of the tuna mixture. Now we're going to gently fold the rice over and we're going to shape it into a ball. So now that we've got it into a ball shape, we're just going to flatten it down so lightly like a puck. So now that it's all done, we're just going to sprinkle some sesame seeds over the top of them. Then we're going to go over to a frying pan and we're going to add some olive oil. On a medium heat, then we're going to put the rice balls in. We'll fry them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side just until they're browned. And now they're ready to serve. Now I like to serve mine with a stir fry, but they also go great with some steamed greens. And folks, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my further videos.